Hey guys, it's Cam. I'm going to be showing you how I cut and stitch a full kameez. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into it. So this is the fabric I'm going to be working with. I have 4 meters of lining fabric and 2.5 meters of the embroidery fabric. I'm going to be using the lining fabric to cut out the churidar pajami, as well as using the fabric for the sleeves and the hem pattern. Now normally these sort of fabrics do come together, so what you want to do is take it apart. Then you want to make sure to iron the lining fabric. And fold it once and then fold it again. The back piece and the front piece of the lining will be cut together. Now first mark a line at the top. As you can see, my fabric is uneven at the top, so you want to mark a line and cut it. And then draw out the length of your kameez. So with the lining fabric, you want to make sure it's 2 inches less than your actual kameez. So my kameez is going to be 37 inches and then my lining is going to sit at 35 inches. Shoulder to the top chest is 6.75 inches. This line I'm going to mark at 10 inches. This will be the start of my dart. Then 14.5 inches, which is for my waist, and 21 inches for my hips. Now I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. And draw a straight line across all of these lines that I've marked. Now at the top, mark off your shoulder width. Mine is normally 14 inches. However, because my neckline is going to be very deep, I'm going to minus 3.5 inches. This will prevent my sleeves from falling off. Then you want to mark off the top chest. So mine is going to be at 5.5 inches. Normally it should be the exact same as your shoulder width. Then I'm going to mark off my chest, which is 8.25 inches. Then my waist at 7.25 inches. My hips at 9.5 inches. And the bottom width 9.5. I'm going to keep it the exact same. You can either add half an inch, it's up to you. Now I'm drawing out my dart. This should be 3.5 inches in width. So from the closed side, you want to mark off 3.5 inches and put a dot there. Now your dart should be at least 8 inches in length. A little side note, you want to add an extra inch to your waist. So instead of marking it at 7.25, I'm going to mark it at 8.25. That's where I'm going to stitch, because once you sew your darts, it's going to bring in an inch either side anyways. At the armhole, you want to draw a curved shape from the top. Then at the top of the shoulder width, you want to mark the width of your neckline. Mine is going to be 3.5 inches. From there, mark off 0.5 inches down and draw a line up to the sleeve. Now finish off the dart. So you want to make a line halfway between the dart, which is 4 inches. Then you want to draw a diagonal line from the top of the dart to the middle, each side, with a 0.5 inch gap. Same with the bottom, giving it a sort of like a diamond shape. Now you want to give 2-inch loosen fabric, so I'm drawing out 2 inches from all the lines I've drawn out, apart from the bottom. Now cut all the lines you've drawn out. Then cut little slits in between the lines that you've marked. What's this going to do? It's just going to make it easier for when you stitch. Now what I'm doing is just marking down which piece is the front fabric, which is the back, as I'm going to cut more of a sleeve for the front fabric. Now I'm using a tracing wheel to mark the back of the fabric, so it's easy to draw the lines. If you don't have one of these, grab your finger on the line and the fabric. On the other side you can just mark it with a chalk. Now I'm cutting in the armhole at 0.5 inches from the top to the chest. This will be for the front fabric only. Now you want to lay your front fabric. Make sure to iron it before cutting. Make sure there's no creases. Then cut around the lining with an extra inch of room left at the bottom. As the front fabric is already made, so I do not need to hem it, I have folded the embroidered front piece in half with the closed side facing me and open side facing away from me. And you want to do the exact same for the back piece. Now because this is a chiffon fabric, you have to be really careful to set the fabric out. Make sure it's nice and neat, no creases, and then cut around, leaving 2-inch space at the bottom. Doing the exact same like you've done with the front piece, with cutting slits in between. Hope you liked this video, guys. I will be posting part 2 of me stitching the kameez on Saturday. Videos will be posted every Tuesday and Saturday. Make sure to subscribe.